The government should be a leader in addressing racism and inequity, but we have to do it through meaningful partnerships and relationships that take time to build.
I'm trying to lead a bunch of people doing health equity work, and they're like, oh, we just need more data. And I'm like, yeah, but what are we doing in our practice? I need that self-reflection for sure, but I need to know how to lead people in the practice of doing health equity work.
This fellowship provides me with support outside of my bubble in New York City, but I think it provides this movement of health equity with some longevity and some sustainability.
I think that in terms of leadership, I think people are starting to realize that I'm there and that I have things to offer. But there's a certain oomph I think I'm missing. And I think that I'm hoping that this gives me I'm very good at the academic, but moving beyond the academic into the practice and how can we actually make health equity shifts happen, that's something that I'm really hoping that this helps me propel myself into doing.
I know that this is a commitment. I can't just go through something like this and expect to remain unchanged. I will be changed. My eyes will be opened even further, kind of going deeper into the matrix. Once you see it and once you're out of it, you know it's all there. And I think that's a big responsibility.
Oftentimes it's challenging even among friends and family to have frank, real conversations around race and race disparities and equity. And so I think it's going to be challenging given that it's going to be a room of about 18 strangers coming together to talk about their perspectives from all across the country and lots of different backgrounds.
It's really learning more on how I can be an effective leader, soaking it in and learn what I can and what I can from the fellowship and also what I can do in Solano County.
I just feel that we're in a place right now where we have to stand up as a field, and I'm ready to do so. I am going to push my colleagues in this fellowship space to be cognizant of the reality that has taken place in every single neighborhood that we come from, every single community that we serve. And I've been telling my wife and my colleagues at work that I hope to come back here even more motivated to push this, because I'm going to learn from others in different parts across the nation that are leading the work without fear, or with fear, but we've found a way to get past it. And I need that motivation from others too.